Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get straight into the video. Today's video is a knotless braid tutorial for my visual learners. I'll be showing you guys step by step how you can achieve the perfect knotless braid. First off, make sure your braiding hair is separated before you start braiding. You can keep the separated hair on a hair rack or on top of a table like I'm doing here. This will make it easier for you to pick hair when you start braiding. I'm applying some edge control to the root of my hair to make it smooth and clean. Now I'm going to part my section into three so you have a left, middle and right piece of hair. Now I'm using my left hand to hold the left and middle piece of hair and my right hand to hold the right piece of hair. Make sure your grip is firm. Your index finger and your thumb is going to be doing most of the work here. Now using my index finger, I'm going to move the left piece of hair to the middle while moving the middle hair to the left at the same time. Using the same motion or technique, I'm moving the right piece of hair to the middle and the now middle piece to the right, and that is one cycle of braid. So now I'm going to do the same thing again. Use your index finger and grab the left hair to the middle while moving the middle piece to the left, and then move the right piece of hair to the middle with the middle piece moving to the right. I know this may seem a bit technical, but just watch what I'm doing with my fingers in the video. Now this is where I'm going to add hair. So you add braiding hair after 2 cycles of braid. I'm going to join one side of that hair to the middle piece of hair, taking the other leg out of the way. So after completing one cycle of braid, I'm going to bring down the other leg of the added hair to join the next middle hair and complete another cycle of braid before adding another braiding hair. You're going to continue adding hair until you get the thickness that you want for your braid. To make your braids tighter at the root, it's best to use the underhand technique, at least for the first 1 inch from your roots, which is exactly what I did in this video. Now remember, while braiding, every middle strand goes over the left and the right strand. So this is the knotless braid. You can see how thin or flat the root is, and the braid increases in size down the length. You achieve this by adding the braiding hair in sections so it doesn't appear too bulky at the roots. So I'm going to go ahead and make another braid for better visuals. I hope this video helped anyone trying to learn how to do the knotless braid or trying to perfect their knotless braid. I tried to simplify this video as much as I could so it's suitable for beginners, and then I figured I didn't have a detailed video for knotless braids. I do have a knotless braid video on my channel, but it's not as simplified as this one. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I hope you learned from it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you love to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.